We are at North Anglia International School in Dublin, and welcome to International Day.
We are celebrating the variety and diversity that we have here at NAIS Dublin, and we have got a veritable feast of food, culture, clothing and activities in store today.
So we have about 57 different nationalities in the school. We have 36 representing themselves this year. We basically are celebrating the diverse community that we have in the school, so we're trying to get the community more involved with local and cultural elements.
All of our students come, their parents, they bring like maybe grandparents, and they just come and get a feel for the whole international community that they're part of. It's very unusual and it's very unique.
Over here they're doing dances from native places. People are able to share their cultures. It's great.
We have done it historically for many years, and we always participate to do that because for us it's important to continue passing the knowledge about what is Mexico to many people.
It's amazing just to see that they respect everyone's cultures, no matter where you're from and what state the world is in.
I just love seeing everyone's different cultures. You can see like where my friends are from, and I love hearing the international music as well. I feel really open-minded right now.
I'm ready to teach you so much.
I think it's really important to have these days because you get to see other people's culture and how other people embrace their culture, like their clothing, and you can see all the different kind of foods and everything like that.
This is just a fantastic way to kind of demonstrate all of the different nations that are represented at that school. Great idea.
Yeah, it's a powerful thing to see young, old, everyone from around the world. It's amazing to see everyone getting together.
I like all the food and all the games and all the free stuff.
It's being so much fun and it's really nice and I really like it.
It's getting to know countries, it's people meeting each other, exchanging smiles, it's ambiance, it's everything. That's how the world should be exactly.